Let's do the first step, which is we're going to label this, and then we're going to go back to this formula. I'm not going to show you a shortcut on how you can actually substitute, drag and drop the numbers from there into there. So let's label and identify. So what do we have here? Well, clearly we have three sides, as I mentioned earlier. So opposite big B, which is the angle, we have little b right over here. So that goes across there. And opposite the angle big C, we have the length C right over there. So that goes up that way. And clearly the angle A right opposite there, that whole length, that whole side is referred to little a. Okay, we know where the ABCs are. Now we're going to take these guys and drag and drop them into this formula here. Now we're looking for the angle. So later on we're going to do a shift or inverse cos of the angle so we can find out the exact angle in degrees and minutes. So taking the information from here, going across here, we've got the formula up here. Now you might notice in this formula that we have a squared and c squared here. Now what does that mean? It means that the two lengths that are between and cozy with the angle are the two lengths A and C right here. So you'll notice next to capital B, which is the angle, we have C and A. We have C and A. And the opposite length right here, the B, is equivalent to the angle we're looking for, right on the other side where we subtract. So there's that B right there. And it's usually the opposite, and we subtract that in the formula. So let's take these guys and put them in the formula now, yeah? So we have cos B, which is what we're looking for. And we have a squared and c squared. What do we have for a squared? We have 7 squared, yeah? Plus c squared, right up there, that's the 6. Minus b squared, and the b is across here. Right there we have a 9. So that's 9 squared, all over 2 times a times c, which is 2 times, we have a, that's the little a there, right there, 7, times c. If we look at the little c right there, that's 6. Okay, all we got to do is put that into the calculator. So 7 squared plus 6 squared, well, we know that's going to be 49 plus 36 minus 81. Hopefully we'll have a small number on the top and a bigger number on the bottom because we want to get a decimal. That's 0 point something. 2 times 7 times 6 will give us 84. So that's cos B again. Now that, as we simplify this, 49 plus 36, take away 81 on the calculator will give you a grand total of 4. Four over 84, so let's do that. 4 divided by 84 will give us a decimal. And that's going to give us 4 divided by 84 is 0.0476. Okay, now we're looking for cos B, specifically the B, and it's 0.0476. So let's go to the calculator and shift or second function 0.0476, and that will give us an angle B, which equals, on the calculator, the angle right there, which is what we're looking for. Angle B equals 87.27. Now we can get very specific with that, and we can actually change it in degrees, minutes, seconds. So then we go shift or second function, DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds, equals, and our final answer for that angle there will be 87 degrees and 16 minutes on your calculator.
Take a minute to check out our website at http://www.vividmaths.com. You'll find additional resources, cheat sheets, transcripts, and other maths videos that are not available on YouTube. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get access to all the written answers for your maths questions, plus other special offers.